How to buy clothes on Amazon. Looking for a new outfit? This guide shows you how you can buy clothes on Amazon so you can find the perfect outfit for you. First, open the Amazon shopping app. In the search bar, type in the name of the clothing item that you are looking for, like dress or jeans. You'll see a variety of clothing items with different styles and prices. You can use the filters to narrow down the search results. You can filter by size, color, brand, and style. You should also check the sizing chart to make sure you're buying the right size. It is a great way to find the perfect outfit for you. You should also check the product's reviews and ratings. This will give you an idea of what the other people think about the product. You can read the reviews to see if the clothes fit true to size, if they're comfortable, and if they're worth the price. It is a great way to make an informed decision. You now know how to buy clothes on Amazon. Get ready to find the perfect outfit for you. Like and subscribe for more app tips.